bounds.
Hello friends. Today I am show you how to get free USA phone number. First subscribe my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. First download Next Plus from Play Store. And click on Sign Up. Write your username and password. And click on Sign Up. Select State. Select area code. And click on Get a custom number. This is your USA number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.